Hello again! Nandito tayo sa second round ng Dugtungan Challenge! Kamay mo ba?
Babagsak na flip.
Ang bola mo, te!
Team Sunog.
Team Sunog Baga! At ang team Ama. Patayo ka nila, patay! Okay, magsisimula.
Nag-iisip kami ng ano eh. Go, go.
Oh, Nana, what's my
Name. Team Sunog Baga.
May name kayo?
Oh,
Teka na, sige, go.
Meron kayo?
okay lang.
Name?
Kailangan.
Name. May name kayo?
Yeah.
My name is, what is that? Yun! My name
Ten.
is what? My name is what? My name is what? What? Galing mo. Ako yung ano.
What a wonderful world.
Wonderful!
World na naman. Ano ba?
Green.
Green.
Green?
Green.
Green.
Kat hindi ka kita.
Anong green yan, ha?
Anong green?
Gawin niya ka pa kay Dila. Yan.
Green, green,
Green grass of home. Home.
Oh. I'm going home.
Yeah!
You belong with me. You belong with me.
Wait!
Without
Ayun na naman, bawal. No, not
With,
without. One
with,
word.
hero, without.
That's without.
Okay. Hero.
Without eh. Yung ano na, with.
With you.
Narinig! Pwede yun, pwede. Bakit sinabi nyo? Pwede.
Sige.
Bakit sinabi nyo? Narinig nila.
Kamote.
You.
You.
Ulit?
Yun na naman.
With you eh.
I know.
Sige, pwede. Pagbigyan.
You are the soul. Song. Anong song?
Song.
1 minute. Bawal Tagalog, sir.
Yan, please. Oo. Ano?
Last 50 seconds.
Okay. Tama na. Uy, narinig siya naman. You have
I'm not gonna write you a love song if you ask for it, if you need one. Oh, one.
One.
You're the one for me. You're my ecstasy.
Meron ka ecstasy?
Meron kayo ecstasy. Extra dos.
Wala sila ex.
Meron yata. Basta mag-isip muna kayo. Oh.
Meron kayo ecstasy?
Meron. Last 50 seconds.
Dr. Dre.
Ecstasy.
Oh, intimidation factor na yan. Go on.
I gave you guys a clue. It's by Dr. Dre.
Hindi ako nakikinig.
Dr. Dre. Guys, it's a rap. Ilang seconds? Ecstasy. We got those.
30 seconds.
Tama na.
30 seconds.
3 points na kami. Wala na kayo.
Ano, wala kayo?
Makasunog baga
20 seconds. Kami ang sunog baga. Bilas! Sayang sa
20.
I give you guys lang kayo. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Give up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo!
10 seconds pa ka mo.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Go.
Oh, ecstasy nyo.
Oh, ecstasy.
Wala yan.
I just took an ecstasy.
Solo.
No, the... Wait.
Wait, pakantayin nyo.
I just took an ecstasy. I don't know what the side effects could be. B.
Oh.
Wala ko
3 points na.
talaga yung lyrics ha. 3 points na kami.
3 points na.
I'll be
Ay!
your crying shoulder. Shoulder.
My shoulder, my knee.
Ni, pwede, kanta yun, men. English song. Ni.
Ano?
alam ko yung
Ni, umbended ni pa.
Hindi ko alam kantahin.
Me.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Pwede tapos na eh.
Hindi, iba yun.
That
Iba
was
kanta
part
yun.
of the song though. Isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it was part of the song.
Ano yung umbended ni?
It has to be a different song every time.
Uy, umbended ni, alam niyo kanta yun?
Teka.
Boyz II Men.
Ikon.
Alin nga nila, hindi ko alam yung kanta eh. Yung
40 seconds, man.
Uy, mag-give up na kayo.
Hindi. Nakalimutan ko.
Ilang seconds? Gasa.
30.
Unbended nila alam mo dun.
Give up na! Ay, talo na naman sila.
Zoom na lang natin yung mga mukha nila isa-isa.
Talo.
Ganda lang natin
Ano
kami.
mga talo? Talo na.
Makatalo. Favorite ko yun.
Mukha ng sunog baga. Seconds na!
Last 10.
Oy, mukha ng panalo.
I'm down on bended knee.
Go, quick, go.
Tapos na.
4 points. Yeah, 4 points. 4 points.
Meron ba kayo?
I'm down and bended knee.
Eh, yun na ginawa ko eh.
And then Ikaw sing them. Tell me how, and then I don't know. Tell me how. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
how?
How?
How the calabash.
No, bawal yan.
Tagalog ka naman.
How?
May isang minuto kayo
How do
sa...
I live?
Ah!
Ayun na naman kayo.
You ever know?
No!
Ever
Ako,
survive?
no na.
Hindi, ano final?
Survive.
I will survive! Hey!
Hey, hey,
Hey, you, I'll be your girlfriend.
I will! Bayan!
You won! What?
5 kayo eh.
Oh!
Yeah, but you're... Oh, na!
Wala, yun yung naisip namin. One.
No one can get away with what I'm feeling.
Feeling 45.
Tonight's gonna be a good night. Night.
Good night. Good night or night?
Night.
Night? Cause... Say, dyan na.
Gusto night.
Wait. Then... One night only.
Only you.
Can make.
Make it mine. I give my mind and a heavy rotation. Requesting that is lifting you up
Ano?
and away. Up.
Uptown girl.
Uptown, not up.
Okay, up.
Up.
Hi. Is it?
Up.
Last 50 seconds.
Meron ako. Wala ako.
Up and down. Black and yellow eh.
Oh, ano upside down?
Yun nga yun eh.
Oh, go. Give up.
Upside down by
40.
I can stand on
6 seconds.
You raise me up to travel on stormy seas.
Seas.
Ha?
Stop kuya.
Overseas and coast to coast. Find the place I love you most.
Most.
May most.
Oh shit. Most shit.
Fuck you.
Hey, DQ right here. I know,
Wala yun. Touch to ka niyan, pwede.
Meron na. Bilis.
40 seconds.
Give up na, give up.
40 seconds.
30.
Wala pa? Grabe ka.
It's like,
30. Yeah.
stop.
Continuing the lyrics of the song.
Yeah, stop playing and you have to another song. Yeah.
20.
Give up na kayo. Watch it learn.
I get it.
Yeah.
It's fun. I used to do this in high school.
Yeah.
Beautiful girl in the room.
I love that. Anong song?
Ano?
Wala!
Wait! Time.
Room. 1. Ala na pre. Oh, that kayo meron. Ano ba yung kanta?
Room.
Ano yung kanta nyo?
You are the most beautiful girl in the room.
Yeah, it's a song by Flight of the Conchords.
Yeah.
Meron kayo? Room or groove?
Meron kayo? Meron.
Oh, sige, room.
Kwarto.
Game.
Meron nga kayo.
Wait.
I'm all hyped. Alam ko na. Save room for my love. Okay. Save room for a moment to be with you. Moment.
Moment.
Go, Chris.
In this moment.
Ano ba yan? Pangit.
From. Eh, what is that?
From.
50 seconds.
The whole songs though.
Wait, I'm trying to remember
Okay,
the lyrics.
go. Join the room. Fuck you.
Bakulit to eh. Oh. 40 seconds.
Can I be on a team?
Sure.
I want to be on a team.
Okay. Yeah.
Got team.
Wrong naman yun.
This is the new recruit.
Let's do
this.
You guys are really bad at this.
No crap, they're like.
Yeah, alam ko yun.
It's 4-0.
20 seconds.
Ano, may moment na kayo?
Yeah.
Ang dali-dali lang moment. Ang dami-daming moment. Ay,
My hair.
God, yung may Nicki Minaj.
you guys don't listen to music?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Umabot! Oh, meron! May parte kasama. Game.
Paano kayo sa amin?
This.
This love has taken its toll on me.
Oh my God, everybody said that.
Goodbye.
Ang ingay na.
Goodbye.
Never say goodbye.
Ano?
Oh.
No.
Goodbye. 50 seconds. 50 seconds.
I know one. You guys suck at this. Ano ba yan? To keep the game going, can I just help you?
No.
I'm not.
Goodbye?
Count already.
20 seconds.
Anymore.
Wait, what?
Sometimes I get to try. So this is goodbye.
Next
Try.
one.
Try.
Try.
Oh!
Hold on. One more.
Give me one more try for the sake of my heart. Give me one more chance. Chance.
Game.
You guys are so bad at this.
What is it? Wait, tell me.
50 seconds.
Chance or supply.
This team Samaraw. And team Sunog Baga.
Tunog baga rock.
Ano ba yan?
Try.
Hindi na kayo naglalaro. I like how you're just standing there.
30 seconds. No. 30 seconds. Hi, kuya.
Nag-give up na sila
Chance.
Chance.
Wait, gawin mo muna
30 seconds.
Boogie, you should know
20
this.
seconds.
Damn it, this is hard.
Chance.
Chance. Mamaya. Pag nanalo na tayo.
Back at
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five.
Meron kayo? Chance. Oh, kanta.
1, 2, 3, go.
Take a chance on me.
Me. Wala, 5-0 na eh.
Aba?
Bye.
Team Sunog Baga.
I just joined.